Hi guys, I've got a tip and I've installed ArcoLinux, and from it, yes, that video will not come online, it was interrupted, but from there I came to learn, well, about packages. Close other tabs. And one of the things I would like to see is the IU theme on our system. So yay, IU theme. That's the first thing you do. If it's there, boom, you got it. But it's for fish, right? It's for bash, ZSH, fish. It's for a shell. So this video is about thinking this is all about Linux. Whatever package you have, you can use it, even if it's a Debian. I'm not gonna make there is possibility, I think it's called DEB, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not gonna make a tutorial about that. Was not very successful in the past. Might have been improved at this point in time. I don't know. I'm doing this old school. The correct version, MD 6.4, okay. Got it on my system. And then I'm gonna change the wallpaper, Alt-T, better, and then we go to the downloads. And so Regolith, you're out, and IU theme, you're in. What I'll do is the following. We have an alias called X, I think it is. Damn, I always tend to forget it. So the bash RC at the bottom has a long list of things you can do. X, okay, cool. I was correct, it's X. And I need to X things. To extract what? The IU theme. Well, once is enough. Let's open the folder, otherwise you don't see anything. So like this and like that. We can extract super easy Debian files. Boom, it's there. It's not yet finished. We need to extract more. We need to extract the data. The rest is not important. Data, that's what we need. Aha. So this system is, this package is gonna put something in the user, in the share, doc, I don't care, themes. Oh my God. This is the theme. Mirage. And I believe this Regolith uses IU Mirage Dark. How would this look on Control Cut, maybe, right? On our machine. We go to the themes, .themes is ready. Otherwise, create folder, .themes. XFC guys, great. Plasma, not great. Plasma guys, go to local folder and then deeper down, local share. In here they put themes. Since I am not on Plasma, I just Control V. How will this look? No clue. Let's try it out. Maybe it's bad. Won't put it online then. Oh, sorry. I need to stay in style. Okay, so anything new in here that I don't recognize? Arc, IU. Okay. IU is this. IU dark is this. Maybe I should put open also this one. Come on, smaller. So that's tuner for you because it matters. Okay, darker. Mirage. Safa. Mirage dark. Mirage darker. Yeah, maybe we can make our own package and provide it to you because I kind of like it. I kind of like it. Mirage, Arc, and Arc Dark, maybe not that different. Let's have a look. It may be not worth making our own packages. Okay. And okay. There's also the Arc Darker. Arc Dark and Arc Darkest. Arc Darkest and this one. Well, it's a little bit different, right? And again, we have a choice. So yes, okay, fine. I'll make a package build and a package later, so we can just easily sudo pacman -s, and you get all these in from here till here. All of these in one package would be cool. And the source will be one of these packages, right? IU theme. I'm gonna get this one or the other one from here. That maybe is better that we put that in an other video. So copy link, Control V. That's indeed the link to download. Boom. And then I have it downloaded again. And that's the ARM one, that's the AMD one. Should of course take the same one, the correct one, but hey, it's Teams, so doesn't matter. CPU doesn't matter. It's the same size, so any of these guys will do fine. Maybe I'll take the Tarek set. We'll see, right? I have choices. And then we get ourselves a GNOME theme. It says, ah, it's a GNOME theme. Okay, cool. Well, don't mind. It's looks good on XFC as well. And it's another choice that we have anyway. All right, that's for next video, making a package build.